Are you wondering if Forex trading could be the solution to your money woes? Are you hoping that it could provide you with the money you need to pay off credit card debt or to build your savings? Let me ask you some other questions. Are you tired of struggling to get by? Are you frustrated that you work hard but can never get ahead? Well, if you answered yes to any of the questions above, you have definitely come to the right web page. Hello, my name is Axel Reed, and I was once in the exact same position that you find yourself in. I needed money. In truth, I was desperate for money and had no real solution for getting it. But I caught a break, a big break that I'll tell you more about in a minute. And now I'm making millions of dollars a year trading Forex. It's true. Last year, I made $3.2 million. That's $61,538 a week, which means I'm making in a week 3 times what I used to make in a year. Let me show you my account balance after 1 year of trading. Let me tell you, maybe money can't buy true happiness, but it can buy a lot of other stuff, like a beautiful house, a big boat, a fleet of cars. I've been poor and I've been rich, and I'll take the money every time. Having money opens up so many possibilities in your life. So how did I get here? And how can you do it too? How can you make money trading Forex with no experience and very little money to start? Let me quickly tell you my story. As I said earlier, my name is Axel Reed, and I majored in journalism in college. Truth be told, I was never good in math. But the beauty of Forex trading is that you don't have to be a math whiz to succeed. So anyway, I earned my degree in journalism and got a job at my hometown newspaper, making $20,000 a year to start. But it didn't take me long to join the ranks of the disillusioned. In a few years, I had amassed over $20,000 in credit card debt from living above my means and was barely paying my bills each month. The only thing saving me was that I was able to take advantage of some promotional offers and secure 0% interest for a year on the cards. But that promotional period was going to expire soon, and I knew when that happened that I wouldn't have enough money to pay my bills. The stress was incredible, and I began to feel ill most of the time. I felt lost and depressed, but then fate stepped in. One day, my editor assigned me to do a story on a local man who was donating $500,000 to the town hospital. I called the man up and scheduled a time to go over to his house to interview him. When I arrived at the man's house, I was shocked. He basically lived in a mansion. I couldn't believe that there could be someone so rich living in my small hometown and me not have heard of him. But the house was out in the country, in the midst of a thick woods, and couldn't be seen from the road, so nobody would know it was there, let alone how big it was. So as I was interviewing the man, I started asking him how he had come to accumulate so much money. I was expecting to hear family inheritance or something like that, but that's when he mentioned those 2 fantastic words, Forex trading. At that point, I really hadn't heard about Forex trading before, and I think my face showed that I really didn't understand what he was talking about. So the man jumped up and said that he would show me what he does. We walked into his office, and he pulled a chair around so I could watch him on the computer. First, he told me a little about Forex trading. Once he finished explaining, he opened up a program, executed a trade, and casually mentioned that he had just made $1,345. $1,000 at that time was huge to me. That could have ensured that I paid all my bills that month. Again, I think he could see my amazement on my face, and that led him to do something that he didn't have to do. He offered to teach me how to invest in Forex. I leapt at the chance. I was desperate for money. Well, Steve began working with me, and in no time, I was making $1,000 a week trading Forex, which was double my newspaper salary. I started paying off my debt, and then I rented a new, better apartment and bought a new car. After about a year, I quit my job and became a full-time Forex trader. For the past several years, Steve, myself, and a computer programmer named Aziz, who we brought in a couple of years ago, have been making millions. I have a big house. Not as big as Steve's, but big enough for my own needs, and I don't worry about paying the bills anymore. Let me tell you, when you've been poor and lived on the very edge of going bankrupt, having lots of money is the best feeling in the world. Each morning, I wake up and I say thank you. Each and every day, I remind myself how truly lucky I am to be in the position that I am now, which brings me to why I'm writing this letter. I've talked to Steve about this, and we've decided that we want to help others realize Forex success as well. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make our proprietary Forex trading program available to a select group of traders. Now, let me emphasize, to take advantage of this opportunity, you don't need any special training, and you certainly don't need any trading experience. You see, we've created a program that basically does everything for you. The system uses an ingenious artificial intelligence component to accurately predict future market movement. So all you have to do is follow the system's trade recommendations to make money. At the foundation of our program is a massive set of chart patterns. The software is constantly searching for any currency pairs whose movement fits one of its numerous charts. When the system finds such a pair, it locks onto it and is able to predict with 90% accuracy what will happen in the future. Now, let's stop and think about that for a second. 90% accuracy. The best baseball hitters bat 300. That means out of 10 at-bats, they get 3 hits. The best NBA players generally shoot 80 to 90% on their free throws. Yet here is this software program doing something infinitely harder and doing it at a 90% success rate. Now, there is one thing you must be willing to accept about the software. The trades it makes are not huge money winners. Most trades produce 20% to 30% gains. Now, if you can live with this fact, if you have the maturity to understand that making gains like this over time can add up to a huge account balance, then this system is for you. To use another baseball analogy, if you are more of a home run hitter and don't have the patience to hit singles and doubles, then this is not for you. Still here? Great. Let's take a closer look at exactly what our program, which we call FX Leading Indicator, does. Basically, it continuously searches for profitable trades and alerts you when those trades are found, so that you can steadily build your account balance over time. There are no big risks, no lose all your profits on one trade action here. Instead, each day the system searches for currency pairs that have formed price patterns that match one of the extensive chart patterns in its database. It quickly identifies these profitable trades and lets you pocket a quick 20 to 30 to 40 pip gain on average per trade. If you're like me, you'll be thrilled each day as your account balance grows larger and larger. You'll be amazed at how quickly small trading gains can add up in your account. Plus, there is one more thing that I need to mention about this program. Remember earlier when I mentioned artificial intelligence? Well, I wasn't joking. This software contains an artificial intelligence component that actually learns and improves as you make trades. That's right. This program starts out trading at 90% accuracy, and then it gets better and better. More specifically, the program automatically takes new price patterns and adds them to the charts it already possesses to create even more accurate trading opportunities for you. So, are you starting to get excited about this software yet? Are you starting to better understand what it is capable of? Well, I certainly hope so. I'm not exaggerating when I say this program can change your life. It's all possible with FX Leading Indicator. Remember, with this program, you don't need any trading experience or technical know-how. The software does everything for you, finding profitable trades, alerting you to them, and telling you exactly when to enter and exit for maximum profits. That means you won't have to stress about making that difficult decision of when to sell. So many investors stay in too long or leave too early and miss out on the real big gains. This software identifies optimum buy and sell times. Now, up to this point, what I've been sharing has all been good news, but I have some bad news too. We are limiting the number of people who can buy the software. To put it simply, we don't want to spend our time providing customer fulfillment and support. We're traders. It's what we enjoy doing. So that's why we are limiting the software to the first 200 people who order. Once the 200 order limit is reached, this page will be taken down, and it's very, very possible it will never appear again. I suppose if everything goes smoothly, we could reopen the page to more customers in the future, but I wouldn't count on it. In other words, if you want this program, you better act now. Just click on the order button in this page. When you place your order, here's what you'll be getting. First and foremost, you'll be getting our FX Leading Indicator software, which is made up of 3 parts. The first part of the software is the foundation, and it includes the proprietary chart system that I mentioned earlier, and the proven effective Forex trading strategies that I also mentioned earlier. However, you won't actually be able to see these components because they are hidden under SHA-1 encryption, but trust me, they're there. This essential first part of the software is quite simply the most profitable, most consistent way to trade Forex available anywhere today. It has displayed uncanny accuracy in every possible type of market condition and has posted major profits in every single quarter that it has been used. Part 2 of the software is the artificial intelligence component that I also mentioned earlier. This part of the program allows the system to learn and improve over time. When you get this system, you get an ever-evolving piece of software that will study the market and identify new price patterns, save those price patterns into its database, and then use those patterns to identify new profitable currency trades in the future. Then, once the system has identified profitable currency pairs, it automatically pinpoints the most profitable entry and exit points and will even make the trades for you. I'm telling you, it doesn't get any easier than this. Part 3 of the software is a profitable trade filter that analyzes all available trades and screens out the less profitable ones, leaving you with only those trades that offer the highest possibility of winning and the greatest profit margins. Now wait, that's not all this software includes. It also comes with a one-click installer that makes it super easy to install and start using. You won't have to figure out confusing instructions or waste precious time slowly installing the software. Now you can just click a button, and in no time, you can be trading. Along with the software, you'll also get a set of training videos. The videos are all professionally done, entertaining, and very informative. They will show you step by step exactly how to use this complete system to generate massive profits trading Forex in no time. That's what you will be getting. Now, let's talk about how much it is going to cost. First off, let me just say, don't worry. You're not going to be paying $2,500 or $2,000 or $1,000 or $500 or even $100. If you are one of the lucky 200 people who order now, you can get the complete money-making FX leading indicator for just $67. Why $67? Because that's the number that I came up with after I calculated what I needed to charge to recoup my production costs for each edition of this software. Click on the Order Now button on this page to be one of the lucky 200 who will get this software for this low price. And to make this even more of a no-brainer decision, I'm going to throw in 3 powerful bonus gifts. That's right, order now and you'll also get bonus number 1, the Forex Sensation System. This system identifies clear entry and exit points and tells you exactly when to trade and when not to enter the market at all to avoid losses. Bonus number 2, the Ultimate Reversal Identifier System, which identifies the top and bottom of each price movement, the U-turn point, and tells you how to enter at the beginning and exit at the end for maximum profits. This powerful bonus could easily double your profits. Bonus number 3, the Shocking Breakout System, which identifies areas of the market where breakouts are likely, and then lets you know the minute a breakout occurs so that you can get maximum profits from it. All told, that's over $6,500 in bonus gifts. Combine this with the software that's easily worth $2,500, and you've got a package that's worth $9,000 plus. And if you order now, you can get it all for just $67. Just click on the Order Now button on this page. With our 60-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. We're so sure that you will love this software that we are offering an unconditional 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply notify us within 60 days and we will refund your money in full with absolutely no questions asked. That's 2 full months to put this system to the test. Try this system using either a demo account or real money. And if it doesn't produce profits for you, simply send us your account statement within 60 days of your date of purchase, and we will send you a full refund of your purchase price. That's how sure I am that this system will work for you. But you have to order now, before it's too late. Just keep in mind that this system does lose 1 out of every 10 trades. There are no perfect trading systems. So if an occasional loss will send you into a panic, this system is not for you. On the other hand, if you understand that losses are going to happen, but that you can still build your account steadily by winning your other trades, then this is your system. Just click on the Order Now button to get it before it's too late. Don't keep dreaming about success. Don't continue to sit at home reading others' success stories, thinking you could do that too if only you had access to what they had. Take action and get your hands on the very same software that has been proven to generate millions in profits each year. It's time to take the steps necessary to enjoy real trading success. Don't let this opportunity pass you by and then be forced to sit around hoping that you haven't made the mistake of a lifetime. At the very least, you should take us up on our risk-free offer. If it doesn't work for you, just notify us within 60 days and we'll refund your $67. Just click on the Order Now button on this page to get started.